Hello guys, so today I'm talking about HCMC stock or Healthier Choices Management Corporation with a market cap of around 350 million, which is a lot if you look how cheap the stock price is, but they just have a lot of shares out. So this is the first time I'm talking about this one here on the channel, so I'm gonna go a bit more in depth on it. Before I start, I just want to say that we are about to hit 400 subs. Thank you all for that, and please subscribe if you haven't. In here I cover and give my opinion about different stocks I hold, sell, buy or plan on buy. Also, please like this video to support my effort. I have been researching this stock for hours to give you guys the best possible info, as well for myself too. Okay, so HCMC. Who is this company and what they do? So, Healthier Choices Management Corporation is a US-based publicly traded company specializing in providing consumers with healthier alternatives to everyday lifestyle choices. HCMC owns an intellectual property suite comprised of patents issued in both the United States and Canada. These patents have a primary focus on safer vaping technology, as well as synthetic or imitation nicotine compositions, processes, and methods of manufacture. HCMC continues to innovate, and hopes to expand this suite in the future. They recently formed a subsidiary, HCMC Intellectual Property Holdings, to hold and market its intellectual property assets as well as all the patents, trademarks and other. They recently have tried suing Philip Morris for stealing their product. I don't know how that went or if it's still going. I think the case is still going, and I'm not gonna talk about that in here because there is much more important stuff to cover, but I will maybe update about that in the near future. Okay, now let's talk why this could be huge. So we realized that their overall business goal is healthier choices, but what they currently focus on is healthy choice markets and the vape stores, the subsidiary I just told you about. So they own an 18,000 square feet full service grocery store and 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition stores, all in Florida. Serving their respective local communities, our stores provide all natural and organic products in a friendly and helpful atmosphere, with aisles of traditional grocery complete with frozen, healthy home vitamins and supplements, health and beauty, fresh produce, hormone and antibiotic-free meats and bulk food. Guys, let's take a moment to think about this. Health is one of the most important things in life, and taking care of your health is obviously something that only brings good to you. As time goes by, more and more people are realizing or will start realizing this. And honestly, I myself struggle to find healthy foods in my city and would really buy their products myself, as their CEO mentioned as well, but I'll get there in a moment. What I'm trying to say is that this has a huge demand and will only get bigger and bigger. So that's a huge overall catalyst. And the second, vape stores. So they have 8 vape stores across the southeast US, in which they provide a better and more healthier alternative to traditional smoking, which if we look at again, huge demand. Let me read you this. Tobacco use is the leading cause of preventable disease, disability, and death in the US. Nearly 40 million United States adults still smoke cigarettes, and about 4.7 million middle and high school students use at least one tobacco product, including e-cigarettes. Every day, about 1,600 US youth younger than 18 years smoke their first cigarette. Each year, nearly 500,000 Americans die prematurely of smoking or exposure to second-hand smoke. Another 16 million live with a serious illness caused by smoking. Each year, the United States spends nearly 170 billion on medical care to treat smoking-related disease in adults. See how huge and important this is. Not to mention that 20% of whole world population are smokers. Now, another amazing thing is huge recognition and popularity the company has got in recent time by its shareholders number increasing to over 306,000 and volume significantly increasing as well. The next catalyst that came out yesterday, which is huge in my opinion, is this. Healthier Choices Management Corporation today announced the relaunching of its vitamins and supplements online store at thevitaminstore.com. This online store was originally purchased as part of the acquisition of HCMC's three Paradise Health and Nutrition branded stores in Melbourne, Florida. HCMC will be offering select national brands and, for the first time online, ADA's high-quality brand of vitamins and supplements. Previously sold only in ADA's Natural Market, the company's organic grocery store that is located in Fort Myers, Florida. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Now, what their CEO said is, management has recognized and is grateful for both the national attention that HCMC has received over the past several months and for the very vocal support of its shareholder base, which is now over 306,000 shareholders strong. This has provided the company with the perfect opportunity for a relaunch of HCMC's thevitaminstore.com, as well as an opportunity to offer our ADA's brand of high-quality vitamins and supplements to a national audience. Now this is huge because if you have some basic business knowledge, you know how much the online store spreads its customer base. It's not only the people in real store proximity anymore. Next, our shareholders have repeatedly expressed their desire to support their investment in HCMC directly by also becoming customers. With our sizable shareholder base as potential new, highly motivated and incentivized customers, we are extremely encouraged by the growth potential from this online store. Unlike a stock market investment in a high-ticket item-based company, such as car company, collectively our shareholders have the power to make a real difference with the power of their individual purchasing habits. This is a rare opportunity for shareholders to work hand in hand with management to build a national brand while increasing shareholder value throughout increased company's revenue. This is what I said before, that I would buy their products myself. Now, not everyone is interested into making healthier lifestyle choices and buying healthier products, which you should be if you ask me, but a lot of us are, and I see this as a huge success in near future, guys. Also, another thing that can also boost the price up in the near term is short squeeze. The current short volume ratio is around 150%, and yesterday when I looked it was over 750%. So the online store sales plus the Reddit Wall Street Bets people, who are very strong community as we all know, can really cause the short squeeze to happen. Now the risk side. So the reason I'm not currently holding shares is because of their financials that are bad. But I've seen worse. So I will wait for the first quarter of this year results to come out. Also, I already have a large exposure in penny stocks, so until I deposit or sell something, I will just keep monitoring this one. For the end, a lot of people want price targets, which I honestly don't have for this one. It's really hard for me to give that at this point, but I believe it could reach a cent by the end of this year if the management keeps expanding and following their business plan. As well, with the huge stockholders number we have and the online store that is now out, as well with the short squeeze potential, everything seems good to go. I believe this has a huge long-term potential, and I will keep updating you guys if anything important happens. Thanks to everyone that watched till the end. I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want me to cover a particular stock or give you my quick opinion on it, feel free to tell me down in the comments. Also, I want to hear what you guys think of HCMC and its future as well. So comment down below that. And yeah, see you all in the next video. Bye.